Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today. All the videos of GK Today are absolutely free and available on GK Today's YouTube channel. And if you are looking for interactive quizzes in text and also their solutions, then please download the GK Today's Academy Android app. We have several free and paid courses in that app. And also I would like to recommend you that if you are preparing for UPSC Prelims Examination 2021 and 2022, then we have a daily current affairs quiz series in Academy app. You may subscribe to that series if you find it good. In that quiz, we provide daily 10 questions especially crafted for the UPSC preliminary examination, and we try to connect each current affairs event with some fundamental knowledge in a static general studies topic. We hope you will find it very useful. And this particular series is of 95 videos, and in each video we are going to discuss about 10 to 15 questions. So now let's begin with the questions on world geography. So the first question is, which of the following was the first planet to have its motion plotted across the sky during the second millennium BC? So you have the following options, and the correct answer is option B, that is Venus. See, Venus was the first planet to have its motions plotted across the sky as early as the second millennium BC. Now, the next question is, which of the following is the least dense planet among all the planets? So you have the following options, and the correct answer is option D, that is Saturn. So Saturn is the least dense among all the planets, and its density is less than that of water. Moving ahead with the next question. So what is the escape velocity at moon? So you have the following options, and the correct answer is option A, that is 2.38 km per second. See, basically the moon is an astronomical body orbiting Earth, and it is the fifth largest satellite in the solar system. It has an estimated mass of 7.342 into 1022 kg, and an escape velocity is 2.38 km per second. Moving ahead with the next question. So what is the number of known satellites of Jupiter? Now you have the following options, and the correct answer is option D, that is 79. So basically there are 79 known moons of Jupiter. Moving ahead with the next question. So Titan is the largest moon of which among the following planets? And you have the following options, and the correct answer is option C, that is Saturn. So Titan is the moon of Saturn, and it is the largest moon of Saturn and the second largest natural satellite in the solar system. Moving ahead with the next question. So who among the following is associated with the discovery of rings of Saturn? So you have the following options, and the correct answer is option A, that is Galileo. So basically it was in the year 1610 that Galileo discovered the rings of Saturn while looking through his telescope. This was the first instance ever, and they consist of countless particles of small size and various gases. Moving ahead with the next question. So the size, mass and density of which of the following planets is very near to those of Earth? So you have the following options, and the correct answer is option A, that is Venus. So the size, mass and density of Venus is very close to that of Earth. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, and it is the second brightest natural object in the night sky after the Moon. Now the next question is, the following nuclear reaction makes the Sun a great source of energy? So you have the following options, and the correct answer is option A, that is nuclear fusion. So basically a nuclear fusion is a reaction in which two or more atomic nuclei are combined to form one or more different atomic nuclei and subatomic particles, and a great amount of energy is released. So nuclear fusion activity happens in Sun, and in Sun 4 hydrogen molecules combine to form helium. Moving ahead with the next question. So in 1970s NASA had launched two space programs, Viking 1 and Viking 2. These programs were most expensive and ambitious missions ever. till that time is sent to which among the following planets? So you have the following options, and the correct answer is option B, that is Mars. So the Viking program consisted of a pair of American space probes sent to Mars, Viking 1 and Viking 2. These were launched in 1975. Each spacecraft was composed of two main parts: an orbiter designed to photograph the surface of Mars from orbit, and a lander designed to study the planet from the surface. Now the next question is, which among the following is correct about a heliopause? So you have the following options, and the correct answer is option C, that is heliopause is the theoretical boundary beyond which solar winds cannot reach. So basically heliopause is the theoretical boundary beyond which solar winds cannot reach, and this heliosphere is the vast bubble-like region of space which surrounds and is created by the sun.